Cocoa Puffs, Lucky Charms, Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Lola loud stuck on the Leni's loud vacuum cleaner.
Here we go with that. What happened to Louie now gets a mess? Let me hear it. Oh, why you get friends? Yes, I can't. What the are you doing? I want to get to play with it. It makes a mess of me. It wasn't me. How to compy? Why you got 11 seconds? You ridiculous. I want to get the vacuum cleaner. I want to get you something else. It destroyed the things, all of the stuff and friends. It destroyed the golf thing in your life. Okay, it's time for running over the friends. Oh wait, this is a one over. Okay, it's time for one over. And your friends, say goodbye, you friends. Oh my god! Help me! Oh my butt's on your walls! Let me clean up. Whoa! Help me! Oh, Lula. Is Buddy okay? Holy cow! What's happened? Lula once over my vacuum cleaner. Oh my gosh! Honey hamster! Oh no! He just let go and you popped it out. Oh no, going to explode. He's going to explode. Oh my gosh. Girls, you okay? Oh my god. It's taking a nurse, everyone. Like, hello, nurse, everyone. Come on, let's go. I want to get vacuum cleaner explode. Why you get this honey hamster once over that? Sorry, not a doctor. Sorry, this is Mr. Doctor. This is a nurse everywhere at. Yes, and the honey cage once over. My vacuum cleaner just popped. It's a ruin. That makes him Grandpa's room messy. Want to get cleaned up. Oh, don't worry, comment. I'll take care of you. There's something else ever. This is the puffy power. This is alive. Yes. Okay. Alright, thanks up everyone.
Don't go away. I'll be back soon with another cartoon.